So this is the invisible zipper foot that comes in the 32-piece set. Your shank clamps on here, and you can see that there is a groove underneath, and that aligns the teeth of the zipper with the needle so that you're not actually sewing on the zipper teeth. So I am going to pop off my zigzag. And now we're good to go. Now I'm going to pin the zipper in place. I'm going to turn the zipper upside down so the right side of the zipper is facing the right side of my fabric, and I'm going to open it up all the way. I'm going to align the top of the zipper with the top of the fabric, and I'm going to pin it about 5/8, well, not about, exactly 5/8 in from the seam or the edge of the fabric. And then I will pin all the way down. All right. So I have my zipper foot on, and I have aligned my fabric so that, excuse me, the zipper, so that the coil is feeding through the left side groove. And I am just going to start sewing. I'm going to remove the pins as they come up. And when I get to the end of where I want my zipper to stop, I'm going to backstitch. And there, you can see there is the zipper. There is this seam line for the zipper, just sort of nestled right next to those coils. Now I'm going to attach the zipper to the other piece of fabric. So what I'm going to do is flip the first piece so it is right sides together with the second piece. And I'm just going to start by pinning the very top, making sure the top of the zipper is aligned with the top of the fabric. And then I'm going to double check the seam allowance because everything should be at 5/8. So scooch that in a little. And then I am going to pin down the side of the zipper. I'm also going to take my pen and I am going to mark where I stop the stitches for the other side. So take one of your fabric pens and do that. Once that is all pinned in place, I am going to open the zipper and get ready to sew. So now I'm going to sew the second piece of fabric to the zipper tape. Like before, I have slid everything underneath the zipper foot, and this time the coil is going on the right side of the two notches. On my specific machine, which is a Janome, I have to move my needle position to the left in order to have this work nicely. Each machine is different though, so make sure you test. And there's the mark. I'm going to backstitch. And there you have it. I gave it a quick little press, and there you have your invisible zip nicely attached to your project.